Have you ever gone to bed thinking, tomorrow, I'm going to be different? You set alarms. You make plans. You promise yourself you'll focus. And then tomorrow comes. You try. You really do. But somehow, nothing happens. You scroll. You delay. You feel heavy. And at the end of the day, you think, why am I so lazy? If you've ever felt that way, listen closely. Because chances are you're not lazy at all. Most of us grow up believing this. If you're not productive, it means you don't care enough. It means you lack discipline. It means something is wrong with you. So when you can't focus, you blame yourself. You say things like, I'm wasting my life. Everyone else is doing better. Why can't I just try harder? But here's the truth. Lazy people don't feel guilty. They don't stress about improving. They don't watch videos like this. You do, which means you care. A lot. Let me describe something. You sit down to work. Your phone is away. Your laptop is open. Your notes are ready. Everything is set. But your brain feels foggy, heavy, slow. You read the same sentence 5 times. You open tabs and close them. You stare at nothing. That's not laziness. That's mental fatigue. That's your mind saying, I'm overloaded. And instead of resting, you keep pushing. So your brain shuts down. Most people think burnout looks dramatic. Crying, breaking down, quitting. But real burnout is quiet. It looks like no motivation, no energy, no excitement, even for things you care about. You're not exhausted physically. You're exhausted emotionally. From trying to keep up, comparing yourself, overthinking, worrying about the future, feeling behind. That adds up. And one day, you wake up feeling empty. Not lazy, empty. Here's another reason you feel lazy. You expect too much from yourself. Every study session has to be perfect. Every plan has to be followed. Every day has to be productive. So when you can't do it perfectly, you don't start. You think, what's the point? So you wait for the right mood, the right energy, the right time. It rarely comes. Perfection kills progress. Quietly, this part is important. When you feel overwhelmed, your brain switches to protection mode. It looks for comfort, easy things, familiar things, safe things. That's why you suddenly want videos, games, snacks, music, scrolling. It's not weakness. It's survival. Your brain thinks, this is too much. Let's escape. Understanding this changes everything. You stop fighting yourself, and you start working smarter. First rule, stop calling yourself lazy. Every time you do, you drain more energy. Instead, try this. I'm tired. Not broken. I'm overwhelmed. Not useless. I'm learning. Not failing. Talk to yourself like someone you care about. Because you are someone you should care about. When motivation is low, your goals are too high. Study for 3 hours. Finish the project. Fix my life. Too big. Shrink it. Open the file. Write 1 line. Read 1 page. That's it. Small starts create momentum. No start creates guilt. Choose momentum. Rest is not scrolling for hours. That's noise. Real rest is walking, stretching, breathing, sitting quietly, looking outside. 5 minutes. No phone. No content. Just you. Do this daily. It resets your brain. Confidence doesn't come from motivation. It comes from evidence. Small wins. Finish 1 task. Check 1 box. Show up once. Your brain starts thinking, maybe I can do this. And slowly, I am someone who follows through. That identity changes everything. Willpower is unreliable. Some days you have it. Some days you don't. So stop depending on it. Use systems. Same time. Same place. Same small routine. Make progress automatic, not emotional. So let's recap. You feel lazy because you're tired. You're overloaded. You're burned out. You're chasing perfection. You're fighting your own brain. Not because you're weak. Not because you don't care. Because you're human. Start small. Rest on purpose. Speak kindly. Build tiny wins. Trust systems. Tonight, don't change everything. Just do 1 thing. Open 1 file. Write 1 sentence. Take 1 step. That's enough. And tomorrow, we build again. Let's improve together.